Welcome back. Tonight we are going to do a little custom Nike job. Before we get into it, please subscribe, hit the notification bell, like, comment, and share as always. And let's get into it. What's up, y'all? Today we're going to custom a little pair of Nike lows. These are my girls' shoes. They were crusty, dusty, old. They need a little makeover. Got the shoelaces in a bowl with OxyClean and Rejuvenator solution. Stir it around with my shout bottle. Move everything around, get myself organized. You know what I mean? Fill my bowl with hot water and Markk solution. And break out the Rejuvenator brushes. Give these a good scrub down with this shout stain remover with the little built-in brush. Break out the Rejuvenator brushes. Use the medium and soft bristle all over the uppers. Stiff bristle on the bottom. I didn't go too crazy with these. So here's just a view before we get started on the painting. You know what I mean? Not too bad. Nice little shoe. Now we're going to take these laces out. I don't know why I fast forward through everything else, but for some reason I feel like we need to keep it at the regular speed to pull these laces out. It take forever. So as always, we're using nothing but the finest Angelus Paints on this project. We're going to hit all the uppers, every piece of the upper, with acetone to strip that factory finish. Rejuvenator shoe trees in the shoe. Get my brushes ready. Get my rags ready. I'm drawing. I'm not going to use that. Now I'm cutting the Nike swooshes off with an X-Acto knife. I'm going to chop those swooshes up. Pull the threads. And then I am going to glue it with Angelus shoe cement back on. I tried to make it look like it was broken in a couple places. Now you know we're hitting it with the teal or turquoise, whatever one it is. Always Angelus. Steady hand, steady hand. Now don't judge, because I don't try to be clean on the first coat. I like to actually get a little on the body of the shoe, so then when I try to cut a clean line, I feel like it's easier for me. And this was my first attempt at trying to chop up the Nike Swoosh. And this is why I do this on our own personal shoes, because when it comes time to do a customer's shoe, I want it to be on point. So I practice on my own shoes. Next time, I'm going to break out the sewing machine and try to sew them back on, because the shoe cement didn't work like I wanted it to. Now I'm going through with the Angelus pearlescent Prince purple paint. Say that 10 times fast. Angelus pearlescent Prince purple, whatever I said. See, I couldn't say it one time fast. But no bullshit, I really like this color scheme. Especially, these are from my girl. It's got the little girly flair to it. You know what I mean? Little text break. With the pearlescent paints, you have to do 3, 4, 5 coats to get it to really be solid. Usually I would go with the purple first and then go over it with the pearlescent or whatever color you're using. Here I'm just touching up the white on the midsoles and all around. Painting the tongue tag, the lace holder, the back tab. When you're painting anything like that, the insole, the sock liner, the tongue, the tab, the tags, you want to use Too Thin from Angelus. Add that to your paint anything that's going to get a lot of movement, that's going to bend a lot, you want to put the too soft on it. If you don't, you're liable to have some cracking going. And it's not going to have that natural feel like it would if you got it out of the store. We're trying to get them to feel as natural, look as natural. Now, normally I would put some duller in the paint to bring down that sheen, to get more of a natural factory finish look. But with the pearlescent, it's made to be shiny, so I did not do that. Now, I'm doing the sock liner. Now, I'm doing my little graffiti thing on the insole, little freehand graffiti. As you can see, it says pearlescent Prince Purple right there. That is the name of the paint. It's super dope, man. I like the pearlescent colors. It really makes them pop. All of these paints are available on angelusdirect.com. I will leave a link in the description as always. Boom. That's what it looks like. I think it looks pretty dope, really, for being with a paintbrush on an insole. You know what I mean? Fire. Fuego. As you can see, I did my little Nike thing on the side too, which I'm going to end up painting over in white and redoing because I did not like the way it looked. And boom, we got the final product. Well, not the final product. We got to lace them bad boys up. The nice crispy white laces. I painted the tips of the laces, one side purple, one side teal. And ooh, boom. What do we got here? That is the finished product. Now, it is not as fantastic as I would have wanted it to be, but I still think all in all it came out pretty fucking dope for my first time trying to chop it up. Let me know what y'all think. I appreciate y'all watching.